Alright, so this is for Clara's owner. See how they're running around. They're challenging one another. They're trying to figure out where they fit in. And so it's easy to get lost in this and be like, oh my gosh, they're just having such a good time, and we end up not being part of the pack. We need to understand what's really going on here, and at the beginning we need to be inserting ourselves in this quite a bit, and then after that, from time to time, we need to remind them. And so he's like, look at me, look at my speed, look at my determination, and they're taking him up on this challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna end up coming in, and I'm gonna say something through my approach, and I want them to feel me. Notice I didn't have to use my voice. I'm saying something to her just through my body language and energy. She feels me. We need one ear to us and then one ear to what they're doing. And so that was domination on just a body language energy level. And so with Clara's owner, she needs to dominate and discipline. The dogs aren't listening to her voice and understanding who she is, and so she's going to need to discipline. If I approach and they're not feeling me and I say something and they aren't listening there either, well, they're obviously going to get disciplined. We want to discipline for the things we don't want to be seeing, and I don't want to see them not listening to me. And with Clara's owner, I want her disciplining. And discipline is always something physical. So this will get started back up. I'm going to pick up the yard, and we'll be back.